Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to solve CSSE question number 5, which came in 2023. This is the second part of the video. Okay, we discussed about in the first part, question number 5. We solve two parts, part A and part B, and now we are going to solve same question number 5, but we're going to solve the part 3 and part number 4. Okay, so part number 3, and the rule is the same. How you find the next number in the sequence? Very simple, very easy. Okay, the rule was, okay, add plus 4 and divide by 2. Okay, so this is the rule for the next number you find in the sequence. Okay, so the part C, it says if the second number in the sequence minus 6. So what is the sixth number? So if the second number in the sequence, if the second number in the sequence is minus 6, okay, so what is the sixth number? What is the sixth number? So how we can find the sixth number? Okay, so this is the second number. Okay, so you need to remember one thing. Okay, the number they given, number 6. Okay, and this is the second number in the sequence, and the examiner asking about find the sixth number. How you find? Exact, you need to apply the same rule. Okay, so minus 6 plus 4 divided by 2. So the answer will be what? Minus 6 plus 4. So minus 2 divided by 2. Yeah. So answer is what? Minus 1. So this is your third number in the sequence. Now, minus 1 plus 4 divided by 2. So minus 1 plus 4 should be 3. And 3 divided by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay. And 2 times 1.5. Yeah. So it means your answer is 1.5, or you can write 1.5. Yeah. So this is called your what? I can write here fourth number. And now how we work out the fifth number? So fifth number, so same, how you can work out 1.5 times 1.5 plus 4 divided by 2. So 1.5 plus 4 is going to be 5.5 divided by 2. And how we work out? Make your life easy. If I'm going to 5.5, okay, so divided by 2. So 5 times 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 11. 11 over 2, and is going to be, flip the fraction, and you will get 11 over 4, and the answer will be what? 4 times 2 is 8, and the remainder is what? 4 times 2 8, and the remainder is 3. So the answer will be what? 2 3 4. Okay, so this is our fifth number. Okay, so this is our fifth number. Sorry, this is our, yeah, fifth number. And the last one, they asked find the sixth number. So this is the sixth number we are finding now. The sixth number, exactly the same way. 2 3/4 plus 4. Okay. So, and divide by 2. So first we are going to solve the numerator. Okay. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is what? 11. So I'm going to solve 11 over 4 plus 4 over 1. So it means we need to make the same denominator. Okay. So it means 11 over 4 plus 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 4, and this one is 16 plus 11 is 27, 27 over 4. And if I'm going to divide with this, okay, so 27 over 4 divide by 2, divide by 2. So I can do 27 over 4, flip the fractions, 1 over 2. So 27 divided by 8, and we need to convert to the mixed number. Okay, so 8 times 3 is 24, and the remainder is what? 3. So your sixth number in the sequence will be 3 whole number 3 over 8. So this is the part C basically, yeah. So they are basically testing your fraction. How good are you in the fractions? Okay, so they haven't given the straight question for the fractions. They ask you in form of like a sequence, and they ask the sequence number if the second number is -6. Okay, so you find the sixth number. Okay, so look at this one, we're going to repeat again, don't be confused. So the second number was -6. Okay, so this is our third number. How we work out? -6 plus 4 divided by 2. Okay, this is our third number, and then I add plus 4 divided by 2, you will get the fourth number 1.5. And the fifth number 1.5, you're going to add plus 4 divided by 2, which is 5.5 divided by 2, and convert to the fractions to the 2/4. Okay, this is your fifth number. And 2 whole number 3 over 4 plus 4 divided by 2. So first I solve this one and this one. You going to solve as per the fractions, okay, and convert to the improper fraction. This one, make the same denominator, and 11 over 4 plus 16 over 4, and you will get the answer 27 over 4. And then you need to divide by 2. Okay, change the sign into times and flip the fractions, and 4 times 2 is 8, so 27 over 8. And if you convert to the mixed number, so the answer will be 3 whole number 3 over 8. So this is the part C for the question number 5, okay, 2023. So I'm going to solve in the next video part D and E as well. Okay, so if you like this video, please share with your family, friends, and if you need any support uh, for preparation of 11 plus, especially for CSSE, don't hesitate to contact me. If you have any question, please leave your message in the comment section, so I'll get back to you. Thank you. Bye bye.